Hey guys, I wanted to bring you a brief real estate market update out here. This is from Modern Money Method, and it has gotten exciting um, since my last update. Now in Clark County, Nevada, this is where we'll start. There is now 10,751 agent listings and 500 other listings, so that's over 11,000 available houses. And as you know, this number was in the 2,000 range back in early 2022, so the February March range. So we have shot up dramatically. The other county that I follow is where I live, Pierce County. We did breach 2,800 a few days ago. We're back under 2,800. This number was in the 7 to 800 range 4 months ago. The other listings is also starting to jump up as well. Maricopa County, which is the greater Phoenix area, we are now just below 17,000 agent listings, 1,200 other listings. This number has gone up 4 to 5-fold in the last 4 months. So I want to jump in and show a few details, and then I'll end it in a real interesting one that I've been tracking for a while, Gilbert, Arizona. But this is going to be shorter than a normal one. I wanted to show you that things are happening here quickly. So here we have Clark County, and wait till you see some of these price decreases. It's not bringing us back to 2019 levels, but the market is changing dramatically. You're seeing really large fancy homes coming on the market under 600,000 here. And as we get down here a little bit more, then they start showing the ones that have had price cuts. As you can see, we have some homes under 500 in the Vegas area, 460. Here's a $50,000 price cut on a really large house with a fancy pool, 50,000 down to 500,000. There's a $30,000 cut on a 3,000 square foot house. As you can see, they're trying to get their price points down now. People are understanding that not everybody. I do not know what's going on here. Looks like a fire or something occurred, and they knocked 444,000 off. I hope they had insurance, but maybe they didn't. Even some houses in the 300s. These lower ones are manufactured homes. Yeah, they do have manufactured homes in Vegas, if you can imagine baking inside one of those in the summertime. So, yeah, just nice to see some houses below 500, even below 400,000. Finally down there in Vegas. $28,000 price cut, $25,000 price cut, $50,000 price cut, $250,000 a house with a pool. So exciting stuff. Let's hop over to Pierce County. And like I said, what's occurring in Pierce County is kind of what was happening a couple months ago in the Phoenix and Vegas area. You're seeing larger, fancier homes come on the market in the 500s. That seems to be the first stage. And then the second stage is people realize they got to get below the $500,000 mark. So here we have a nice 2,000 square foot home that just took 50,000 off. Down here a little further, here we have one that's taken 25,000 off. Still a lot of homes in the 500s in Pierce County, Washington. 24,000 off. There are some that are coming in under. Here's one that's under 400,000. This one will get snatched up soon. This is in Puyallup, a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,600 square foot for 400,000. That those prices haven't existed in 2 years. That right there for a 1,600 square foot house. You can see a lot of people hitting the under $400,000 price point to generate interest. Even some large land plots are coming on the market. That's nice to see. This is a really neat if you want to hop on this house here. Huge indoor pool. Really beautiful house inside for $1 million. But yeah, that's what we have. We have the beginning stages of people accepting that their houses are no longer worth these absolute insane prices. $24,000 price cut. All right, let's hop over to Arizona. We start right off the bat with a $20,000 price cut. Nice pool on a 2,000 square foot house. I'm not going to point out every price cut like the smaller ones and things of that sort. Here's a nice one. Look at this 2,200 square foot. Look at that really nice home. Covered back patio. 539. Little home for 213,000. New construction for 289 right there. Here's a huge house. 40,000 off, 3774 for 590. We were looking at $300 a square foot in a lot of these areas just 4 months ago. And now look what we have going on. We have under $200 a square foot, 2,800 square foot house for 549. So why you're not seeing the massive price drops in the numbers yet is because the sales prices that are happening are similar to a few months ago, but they're for much larger homes now. People a few months ago got squeezed into buying junky homes at high prices. This area here is a popular upper end suburb outside Phoenix. There you see Phoenix, called Gilbert. And what makes this one crazy is there was only 150 homes for sale here just in February of this year. So this has gone up 500%, the listings. And there was not anything selling for under 600,000. I'm talking the 1,500 square foot houses. Well, finally, we are getting down here. Here we got 569 with a $20,000 price reduction on a 2,000 square foot house. People are still having a hard time accepting they're not worth 600. Here's a 569. As you can see, here we have a $500,000. This one just came on, so this person realized, no, we ain't getting 600 anymore. We are at 500. Here's a 530, not much different looking than the 620. So you can see that some people have realized what's occurred and others have not, just in their pricing of their homes. This one's crazy, it's 3.2 million. That's a nice looking home for 450. Not saying these are great prices, but these are definitely the low price points for 2022. 2,300 square feet. Yeah, we are at the low point in a lot of these areas. I would say at least these three counties: Clark County, Las Vegas area, Pierce County, Tacoma area, Maricopa, Phoenix. On a square foot basis, look at this nice house, $45,000 price cut, the lazy river. So, yep, just wanted to show you guys that. Here's a 3,000 square foot home, 630, $55,000 off. So those who need to sell and want to sell are realizing that the people who are buying can only afford a payment. As you guys know, I'm a mortgage broker, and I would say out of the dozens and dozens of people I have qualified, I would say that 75% of all borrowers qualify for a payment between $2,000 and $3,000 a month. Yes, there's the ones that qualify for 4, 5, 6,000 a month that make a lot of money. But then there's the others that qualify for 1,500, 1,800. 75% of all home buyers right now, in my opinion, qualify for $2,000 to $3,000 house payment, and that works out to 300,000 to about 450. And that's why I kept saying when this price range went dramatically above the 450 level, I'm like, you're targeting your house to a very small audience at that point. Only 20-25% of all buyers can qualify comfortably, without blowing their budget up, $3,000 house payment. So I think you're going to start seeing houses in a lot of these areas start coming down into the mid and high fours is what you're going to start seeing a lot more of, because that's where people can afford. And in the lesser neighborhoods, you're going to see them actually drop down into the high threes. So it's just what it is. In order for, people have to qualify for a mortgage to buy your house. It's not all cash buyers out there. There are cash buyers, but they make up a small snippet of the entire area. So, all right. Thanks, guys, for checking in.